some noise, make some noise, make some noise. Not only make noise for the dancers, make noise for the judges, make noise for Kofi for dancing, make noise for DJ Kofi-M. Big up for this event. It wasn't big, but it was what's meant to happen, so. Moving on to the judges, the winner, that really matters. That really matters. Kofi, you wanna pause that? Hey, everyone look at Kofi.
Guys, look at the Kofi abs. Look at the Kofi abs. Look at the Kofi abs. Just for a second. Take a minute. Let's let the tension build. Enough. Alright guys, judges. I know this is not an easy decision, but it's your life. So, you chose this. I didn't tell you to come here. You came here by your own accord. We got Raincrewuk as well for putting this on, even though we're part of it. Thank you very much. So, without any further ado, judges, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, we got Zampa coming out and rapping it for this jam. Give out to our winner, Wavy D.
Fake records.
Everyone on the floor, guys.